Hello and welcome to the workshop vlog. As you can see, the wall looks so empty with nothing on it anymore. The shelf here is gone, all of the stuff's gone from up here, just the boat and the car left. Nothing really on here anymore, it's just the bowls left. This is the bowl wall that I did last week. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I will be taking the brackets with me, I won't be taking the wood with me, but I'll be putting a massive bowl wall up in a new workshop, which will be ready to display all of my creations on. And then this is the stuff that I just need to organise, and this is all the stuff that I still need to be able to do things. So it's got a brush, some sandpaper, some tools and bits and bobs in it. Now this week's workshop vlog will be fairly quick as I have a lot to get on with this week, and given this is meant to be the really hot week where it's like 32, 33 degrees, it's a bit difficult working in the workshop. It's about 8:45 now and it's already very warm, so hopefully I'll be able to get a lot done. I'm tending to work in the evenings at the moment, so it's a bit cooler and a bit easier to do things. So everything's come up all from here. I've taken everything down, to be honest. I need to take the paint palette thing down, although that requires dismantling this workbench here, this little piece of wood that's resting on two blanks on it, which is a bit more complicated to take down, but I need to get that done fairly quickly. So yeah, this workshop's being dismantled. It's, to be honest, it's rather fun dismantling a workshop. I didn't think it would be, but it's quite nice going through things that I've forgotten about or having a look through. I found this really nice hamper, which I've kept all my tools in. So this has got loads of hand tools in, all my commonly used tools and things, so that will be coming with the new workshop. And I think, to be honest, I might buy a couple of toolboxes to put some things in. Packing things up is a bit more complicated, but I've got a couple of methods that I like to use. So I'm filming my dismantling series of the workshop, well, video today and yesterday, so hopefully that should explain things a bit better. But I'm bubble wrapping things if they're fragile, using cardboard boxes, plastic crates, whatever I can, just to make it as easy for myself, so when I get into the new workshop I can start unpacking things. Whilst I'm sorting out my workshop and things like electrics and lighting are being done, and I'm reorganising the workshop, it might not necessarily be usable. So I found a way to still produce videos and still be current videos, because I've got a backlog of about a month and a half's worth of videos at the moment, but sometimes if I need to do things in the workshop that require, I don't know, a week or two's work, which means I can't film any videos, I need to be able to still get current videos out. So the plan for that is, if you've seen Matt Esley's garden workshop, he used a fold up workbench and just had a gazebo outside so he could work in the rain, the sun, all weather. I'm not going to be doing quite that kind of setup, but I'm going to be building an outdoor potting table workbench, I guess, which after I finish with it can just be used as a potting table. So it'll be very similar to these, except it'll be exterior grade wood, and the top will probably be made from planks or something like that. Not quite sure yet, but it'll just mean I can do things outside. Obviously it won't be complicated things, it won't be lathe turning, it won't be intricate boxes and things. I know Matt Esley did them, but he is a very, very skilled woodworker. So it will mostly be smaller projects and some fun things that I want to get done. I've got a couple of ideas anyway, which I won't share with you yet, but you'll get to see those as I start to develop these ideas. And in terms of the subscriber turning series, obviously that will start to happen as soon as I can get things organised. The first tool I want to be set up is the lathe, because that's what I use the most. Obviously I need the bench grinder as well. I'm sorry for the noise outside, it's quite noisy at the moment. Not much I can do about that. But yeah, I think I'm going to have a garden workbench set up, which will just literally be out to the elements, and I'll just use a tarpaulin to cover up the actual workbench in the evenings. I'll take all my tools inside though, but I'll just be using this hamper with all my tools in it. Haven't quite decided what I want to do yet. If you have any ideas of what I should be making in this garden workbench, please let me know. I don't want it to be too complicated, but I want them to be able to last, say, a day or something for each project, or a whole week. I'm very happy to do that. But as I'm doing this workshop, my time will be split between building the new workshop and also producing videos. So as I have previously discussed, the upload schedule will probably go down to being a workshop vlog a week, along with a big project. This workshop vlog though will probably be filmed outside as I sort the new workshop, so it won't be filmed in a nice workshop for the moment, but I'll still be doing the workshop vlog every week as long as I always can. In terms of the shout out segment for this week, I've only had one entry, which is absolutely fine, and this was from Creative Constructions UK. So they've been making these really nice pens using their lathe, and I really like the idea of making pens. I really want to get going with some pens, but these pens that they made are absolutely beautiful. I'll put some pictures up now. I'm not entirely sure what the woods are here. If Creative Constructions UK, if they want to leave a comment down below, I'll pin their comment with the wood they used for the pen blanks. I'm not sure what wood they are, but yeah, if you leave a comment you can let other people know. But they look absolutely brilliant, and as I said, I'm hoping to turn some pens in the new workshop. So if you have any suggestions for the kinds of woods you want me to use, I've already got some panga panga and things like that. But I must get on and finish dismantling this workshop, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this workshop vlog, and I hope you'll enjoy seeing this video probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks as I start to edit it. The boat video will be coming out Wednesday, so 2 days time, and on Saturday it'll be dismantling the workshop. Each Saturday I'm going to try and put up a video about workshop progress. That'll be the plan anyway. So dismantling the workshop will be this week, and then the final workshop tour will be the week after. Hope you guys have enjoyed following along with this workshop vlog. If you have any questions, as always, leave them below. But apart from that, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.